So we are in the house right now. Here is the entrance part. Here we have the first bedroom in the house. And next to the entrance, we also have one bathroom. This all living space, like a chill area. So the kitchen is, as you can see, is very big. It has an island, a lot of storage, everything you need. Here is a dining table. As you can see, the ceiling height is pretty good for everyone. Also for me, I'm 2 meters tall guy. We have a technical part. Here is the water heater. Here is the second bathroom, also with a shower. Here is the second bedroom. And the third one.